First, remember what each indicator tells you. Bollinger Bands use a moving average plus 2 standard deviation lines to show price volatility and extremes. When price hits the upper band, it's considered relatively high. When it hits the lower band, it's relatively low. But price can ride the bands during strong trends, so band touches alone don't guarantee reversals. RSI measures momentum on a scale from 0 to 100. Traditionally, readings above 70 signal overbought conditions, below 30 oversold. But RSI can stay in these zones during strong trends, so it also needs context. How to combine them? Confirm extremes with RSI. When price touches or breaks the upper Bollinger Band, check RSI. If RSI is above 70 and starting to turn down, this suggests momentum is waning. A better sell signal than just the band touch alone. Similarly, if price hits the lower band and RSI is below 30 but beginning to turn up, it confirms a possible buy setup. Look for divergence at band touches. If price makes a new low, touching the lower band, but RSI forms a higher low, this bullish divergence signals momentum weakening on the downside, a strong buy signal. The opposite applies for bearish divergence at the upper band. Watch for Bollinger Band squeezes combined with RSI breakouts. When bands contract tightly, volatility is low, and a breakout is likely. If RSI breaks above 50 during the squeeze, it indicates bullish momentum. Below 50 suggests bearish momentum. Use multi-time frame confirmation. Check Bollinger Bands on a higher time frame for major zones. Then watch RSI on a lower time frame for precise entry timing near those zones. Add price action and volume for confirmation. Look for reversal candlestick patterns or increased volume when RSI and Bollinger Bands give aligned signals to increase confidence. Example, on your USD 10R chart. Price dips below the lower Bollinger Band, RSI is under 30 but starts climbing, a hammer candlestick forms with increased volume. This combination signals a likely bounce and a good long entry. Risk management tip: set stops just outside the opposite Bollinger Band or recent swing points. Adjust position size based on the band's width to account for volatility. If you want to master this combined RSI and Bollinger Band strategy with real trade examples, backtesting, and risk management plans, join Innohedge today. We offer step-by-step guides, expert coaching, and a trader community focused on building consistent edge.